Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into a curious problem that can crop up when compiling C++ code in different environments. So, here's the problem. Imagine a project that compiles smoothly on MSVC, GCC, and Clang in both C++20 and C++23. However, when you try to compile it in Android Studio using C++23, you suddenly encounter an error stating no member named floor in namespace std. Quite the head scratcher, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this puzzling issue. It all boils down to the headers used in your code. While math declares things in the std namespace, math.h declares things in the global namespace. This distinction becomes crucial when working with different compilers and standards. In the case of Android Studio with C++23, you might find yourself needing to include math in addition to math.h to ensure that std floor is recognized. It may seem odd, but this quirk stems from the way these headers are designed to work. In summary, when facing the no member named floor in namespace std error while compiling C++ code in Android Studio with C++23, remember that math declares things in the std namespace, while math.h declares them in the global namespace. By including both headers where necessary, you ensure that the compiler can resolve functions like std floor without any hiccups. And with that, we've cracked the code on this peculiar compilation conundrum. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, programming can be full of surprises, so stay curious and keep coding.